So right now, I'm going to my friend's house to help him fix his bike. Well, he has a new tank for his bike. And yeah, and we're on calling my friend, and he brought his little mini bike. Which I'm stuck behind off. Go! You're so slow! Oh God. A-arms, that's okay, that's not bad. That's basically connected to the engine, kinda. Get that, Brad, go faster. I just had to do that. And I got highway pegs, so I'm just using my brake sliders, but still. This is funny. Haha, you can't rip that as smooth as I can. What the fuck are you doing? Let you go first, because I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where your fat asshole is. Oh, my balls! Oh, that hurts. I felt a good squish from that. Fuck. I don't know what you're talking about, but okay. It's like, I have no idea what we're doing over here. Go! Go, dude. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Brad, what the fuck was that? God damn it. Sorry, Colin. It can keep up. Wait, how do we go home without my GPS? Shit. I just realized that. Because I don't know how to get home from, like, without my GPS when I don't know where I'm at. You can do it. You can like how it's already changing gears. That's funny.
Gas, right?
I don't know. You know, the sensor's fucked up too. So I don't know if I need gas or if it's just the sensor.
It's probably both. Check it.
I need to work on my insurance again.
Yeah.
I mean, it hasn't moved at all since this morning, obviously.
What?
It's still the same level as it was this morning, so I don't know what's going on.
You probably need a better sensor.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Where'd it go? Chinese bikes. They have problems all the time.
We're on Bell Road right now, so if you want to get gas, get gas.
Alright, so my friend thought he needed some gas, but he didn't because Chinese bike problems. And his sensor might be just out of whack or something like that. Go! Okay, cool. God damn it, your fucking lights are right. Go. For one, I was like, wait, I don't know where I'm going. I guess I just like to ride fast, naturally. Go, Brad, just go. Here? Fuck. You don't know where we are?
Not offhand. I've only gotten the streets like twice, man.
Oh my god! Now we're lost.
Man, things that do. I don't know if the best course of action is to go back on that road and make a right and go to jump to Hayden. Sorry, I was trying to figure out a way to get home and I was like, ah, shit, which way do I go? And you looked at me like, fuck.
I know, it's like we're going here. It's like, oh, okay. I saw the part that looks familiar. It's like, okay, he knows where we're going now. Nope. Alright, let's see what happens.
I saw Scottsdale and then I saw 78th Street. I'm like, what the fuck?
God damn it.
I'll be honest, I'll be like, okay, Scottsdale, so Hayden should be up next.
Nope.
Fuck yourself.
Alright, so I think our friend knows where he's going, but we're not too sure. Oh, okay. Let's see what fate takes us. We might be out here all fucking night. Trying to find his fucking place. What are these on the floor? Are those carts? No, those looks like the things out there. Like you put on your wall adapter. How long do you think until Brad realized that we're not behind him? How long do you think? Oh, never, he does. That was a terrible idea.
I honestly don't think crossing this road is a good idea either. It doesn't go fast enough.
You want to take a ride from here and then do that, make that easier?
That way?
Yeah, go right and then turn left.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that then. Fuck it. Okay. Alright, sounds good. Well, we're lost. We lost our friend. We don't know where he's at. And we're looking for him. Ah, my watery. This is quite of an adventure. Oh, my eyes are really watery. Oh, fuck. Ah, I had to have my glasses away. Air dry them. Oh, that's kind of painful. My eyes were watery.
We passed Scottsdale.
Huh?
We passed Scottsdale.
That's Scottsdale. Oh. Yeah, wedgie.
We are currently in a parking lot, or not a parking lot, a
Neighborhood.
neighborhood